kilapoi haying khamtam kito kibala donlok te lada yo ulok kalok ru kayo lang balada yo kalok ulok ru yo lang namar ka jingpang HIV ka sapriang lingba ka jingnya pendai ya ka flut lane ka ka mami ka met te ka jingpang HIV lane ka jingpang khusbi kalong ka mabha namar ka ban sumar lada kilapoi shaka last stage.
I, as a mother, I am worried for the future generation. I am worried for my state. I am worried for my people. Now, even in rural areas where substance abuse, drug abuse was never heard of, now it is being so common. It is a common phenomenon. So, unfortunately for people who are living in the rural areas, most of the interventions, de-addiction centers, are mostly concentrated in the urban areas, sir. So therefore, through you, I would like to request, I have also put up one question regarding de-addiction and rehabilitation centers. It is of urgent requirement, urgent need, that every district headquarter has this de-addiction and rehabilitation centers. I think there is something lacking in the police force, or I don't know, in the morality within our society, or what is lacking today in the state, I don't know, sir. But my humble submission is that we have a robust system available with the government, and the police needs to act immediately. I will just request one thing from the government of the day, that we take this matter urgently and bring on board all of the NGOs, the church bodies, other religious bodies, and every one of the civil society who are concerned about this issue, and create a platform to deal with these problems. Sir, I think for the HIV positives, one recommendation I would like to give as well is that availability of testing centers, sir. I think in every, not just in district headquarters, if possible in all the PHCs, if they can do the tests, because this is spreading because some of them don't even know that they have the disease. They don't even know because they feel the shame to go and get tested. So therefore, sir, if they can get tested, then we would protect wives and children who are unaware of the disease being spread within their own homes.
Hello bro, welcome back to my video. Te hagan ka video nga kwa ban react sa ka jingkren jong ka kun jong u doktor mukul sama ka mini di hira ha ka bakal kren hapo assembly saphang ka jingken rei jong ki nong di drop bat ka jingpang HIV lane ka jingpang khusbi hagan ka jela ka jumi ten nakalen ka jonga nga manjur ya ka jingkren jong ka mini di hira ha ka bakal ong ba man laki district Kidebandon ya ka rehabilitation center ban ai jing sumar ya kito kibreu kibala ngop hudrok te kalau ongru baki pulit kideban traipen state ya kakam kim de ban aili ya ki nong di drop te ya kaneru nga sode ya ka jingkren jong ka mini di hira bat kalau ongru wana lang ki NGO bat ki kan huniam ba phera ha kan ka jela ka jungi ban thau da ka platform kumno ban prakhat ban rading khong ya udrok bat ya ka jingpang HIV ka mini di hira kal ongru badai ban penbiang ki testing center lane ki jaka test om dei tang ha ki district headquarter re ha man la ki PHC hakane ka jala ka jungi ka min di sira kal ong ka jingpang HIV ka sapriang namar ki don ki breu ki bom tip ba klayo ya ka jingpang HIV bat ki don ru ki ba leran ban let pates yaladi ka min di sira ka kren ya ka jingsha nakalian ka junga nga manjur ya ka jingkren jonga min di sira namar babun ki breu ki bom tip yalade ba klayo ya ka jingpang HIV ru namar nakalian jong ka health department ka klam ai bha yaki awareness program haki sinong kitau haka jinsha ka health department kala dei ban ai shwa daki awareness program ken haki sinong kitau nadu ki jakasor hadu ki nong kendong deban ai daki awareness program knang ba ki pajba ken tip haka no kerkom ka jingpang HIV ka sapriang bat hakano korkom kakta lada pila ada ki awareness program te ki to ki ba lasno play ka met ka phat jong la jong ki la tip ken ban let phat test rei bun ki bom tip te ba ki la don ya ka jingpang HIV ru te na kata kata ken ka saya bit nama ka jingpang HIV kaya bit bha khamtam ya kito ki nong di drop ki nong inject drop nomor kito ki nong di drop em habaki penankam ya u syringe lane u nar inject ki ya penankam lang uwe u nar inject kamut ki ya penankam lang te habaladung hawe breu te lingba jong kasnam pada jabu to u badung ningkong uladon ya kajingpang HIV te uto uba dia dung kham haden kum kitoru kin yo lang ya ka jingpang HIV namar ka jingpang HIV ka sapreng lingba ka snam lingba ka fruit chagamet lane ka te kaba pensapreng bha ya ka jingpang HIV kade namar ka jingkenre jung kinong di drop kito kinong di drop ki penerkam lang ya uju usrinch bungut te kumtaken kasasapreng ka jingpang HIV habala yo uwe kito kiweru kit bitlang te haba kilapoy haying khamtam kito kibala donlok te lada yo ulok kalok ru kayo lang badal yo kalok ulok ru yo lang namar ka jingpang HIV ka sapriang lingba ka jingnya pendai ya ka flut lane ka ka bami ka met kum ka snam lane ka no ka kenja flut ka met kum ta lada yo ulok kalok ru ka yo lang lada yo kalok ulok ru yo lang te lada ka kemi ka don ya ka jingpang HIV ki khun ru kin bit lang ya ka jingpang HIV te ka jingpang HIV lane ka jingpang khusbi kalong ka ma bha namar ka ban sumar lada kila poi shaka last stage lada kala AIDS AIDS lada kala poi shaka AIDS kala jenjar ban penjam ya ka jingpang HIV tagadaw kalong ka ma bha te nakalen ka junga nga menjur nga snode ya ka jingkren jong ka minidi sira namar bun ki testing sentaru kim don ha kane ka jela ka jungi bun kim biang ha khamtam ha ki nong kendong kim pat don ki testing sentar den na kata kataw ki bun ki ba layo ya ka jingpang HIV hnre ki sisa bet kumto kim tip yala de baki layo jingpang HIV ru batara kilas ngathu ba kalak ta ka met la jong ru kim le pates namar kawe kalong ba ki duna ki testing center ki bahajan bat sakawe ru ka duna ka awareness program nakaliang joka health department te nakaliang ka jonga kum we na ki youtuber nga kwa ban kentu ya ka whole department sengabhaban penbiang ki testing center haman laki district bat kumjuru haman laki PSC ki badon ha ki district namar ladadon ki testing center kairap sibun ya kito ki breu ki badok khamtam ki bakwa ban pates selade naka jingpang HIV ndrek bakang san kalong haswa ba pin pates ya ki paidba don kamswa ban ai da ki awareness program lane da ki jingpen sai hasnong hathau hakanu kurkum ka jingpang HIV ka kata bat hakanu karkom ka sapriang khnang ba ki paidba kin sothu kenya ka met lajong wada kadon ka jing sofer ya ka met jong ki te ki la sothu ken ban lit pates elde ya ka jingpang HIV kamin di sira kal ongru haki hotspot area lane haki jaka bajur bha ka jingpang HIV dan kaman ai ka jing sumar ka babiang kito ki balayo ya ka jingpang HIV khnang bakanom ya bit haki weipat ki bompat yo ya ka jingpang HIV te nakalen ka jonga kamanjur si kade e ya ka jingkren jong ka mini di sira namar ka kren ne ki jingsha te nakalen ka jonga ngam kwa ban buntin rei tang katne ka jingri aks ka jonga ya ka to ka jingkren jong ka mindi sira hapo assembly namar hakini kisni ka jingpang HIV lane ka jingpang khusbi kumjuru ka jingkan rei jong ki nong di drop kala jelai bha ha kane ka jela mekhlaya jungi ladu ki jakasor hadu ki nong kendong ru kumju te parlok khublai sibun khublai sajarngu ba phila pe chakane ka video tongin saya siam biang haki bepatki video